Welcome back. Having created a data frame, the next critical step is learning how to efficiently retrieve specific data. In this lecture, we cover the primary methods for accessing columns, which are returned as series objects, and accessing rows, which requires the use of special accessors. 1. Accessing columns using bracket notation. Accessing columns is similar to accessing values in a Python dictionary. You pass the column name as a string inside square brackets. The result of extracting a single column is always a Pandas series. You can verify this by checking the type. 2. Accessing columns using dot notation. As a shortcut, you can often use dot notation, like df.tem, provided the column name contains no spaces or special characters and doesn't conflict with built-in DataFrame methods. While convenient, the bracket notation is generally safer and more flexible. 3. Accessing rows by label. To access rows, you must use one of the specialized row accessors. The first is .loc, which stands for location. It is strictly label-based. You pass the custom row label inside the square brackets after .loc. The result is a Pandas series, where the original column names become the new series index labels. 4. Accessing rows by position. The second accessor is .iloc, which stands for integer location. It is strictly position-based, meaning you use the zero-based integer index, regardless of whether the row has custom labels. This is necessary if you need to access a row based on its physical order in the data frame. To summarize, always use .loc or .iloc for rows and square brackets for columns. Our next lecture 36.11. Use slicing and lists. See you there.